What's up, guys? It's Andre Ride from ShredTrails, and welcome to the vlog again. Today I have something, man, I'm just super ecstatic for you guys to check this out because I'm ecstatic. So I went through a couple different financial things, put a little money aside, and found me an amazing illustrator to make us a brand new logo. So if you've been checking out the actual YouTube page or our Facebook page, or now even our Twitter page, the new logo has already been spread out and everything like that. But to those of you who have yet to see the full thing, here's my unboxing right here. That was made by a gentleman that goes by Lifelong ACOLYTE. He is an amazing illustrator, and I will leave a description link to his Instagram because he's got an incredible amount of talent. But most of the stuff that it seems that he does is more on the Orthodox religious side. But he kind of veered off, and I have a lot of props to him for veering off and helping me with this because it came out exactly how I wanted it. Just, if you look at it, it encompasses everything. Because you've got your mountains, you've got your lettering that's just kind of wild and out there. You've got your green for nature. You got your brown for mountains and ground. But the best part is, for those of you that are not musicians, this is in the shape of a guitar pick. Now, guitar picks are very important to every guitar player, unless you're doing a double picking kind of thing, or you're just a finger player. Some people do that. But I will say this, that logo encompassed everything, and I just can't, I'm going to keep reiterating because that's just the way it's going to work out. So I'm super stoked because that just made a lot of things so much easier. My branding is a lot easier for me to put out everywhere, on social media, down the road on shirts. Hopefully we'll get some shirts made pretty soon. And I'm pretty stoked. And you guys should be stoked with me because you guys want to like and subscribe. If you haven't yet, smash that bell button. Andre says smash that bell button because you can get those notifications of when I'm actually going to come out with a new episode. And I am looking to do some traveling soon. So hopefully we'll have some better content. Some more important content. Maybe some musically, naturally cool content. Who knows? So, again, that is one of the coolest things for me ever. So, if you guys like that logo, definitely give us a thumbs up. Or throw us a comment. Just throw a comment down there. Let us know that you like the style, the concept, etc., etc. And again, I'll leave a link to him in the description because that way, if you guys have your own businesses, your own YouTubes, your own whatever, and you just want to make some t-shirt designs, he might be a good way to go. He's pretty stokey. He's cool, man. He's a very chill guy, very easy to get along with. Payments are very affordable. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog because I'm too stoked, man. I'm so stoked that I'm going to go take a nap now. But keep an eye out for us. We will definitely have more episodes. We should definitely have more vlogs, hopefully playing some more music. Hopefully it won't just be me this time. I'm trying to see if I can get some friends to come over, maybe do a little jam session or something of that sort. So until next time, I'm Andre Ride, and this is ShredTrails.